bule. Beautiful girl. Jarang nih dapat bule cantik kayak gini. Nastasia, smile please. Nastasia, give. I love you. Sekarang saya berjalan dengan bule dari Ukraina. Oh, you a job here, yeah?
Yes.
How long you job here?
How long? What?
You job here? How long?
For 3 months, and I arrived 2 months ago. And I will stay here for 1
Oh,
month.
2 months. 2 months?
2 months I am here.
Yeah.
And I'm stay here 1 month more.
Oh, one more.
Yes.
You go in Ukraina.
Yes.
Oh, cry. Yeah, no. Yes. Follow the Moscow.
Oh, you have good voice.
Huh?
Good voice.
Nice. Thank you. You again, Nastasia. You are a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Sure. Very beautiful.
I'm a model.
Huh?
I'm a model.
Mother? What?
Model.
Model. Oh, what do you model here? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you job in model.
Yes.
Oh. Before I'm driver.
I
Yeah. Before I'm driver.